If you want to add audio to every slide in PowerPoint, this video will show you the fastest way to do it step by step. Whether you're creating a presentation for class, work, a business pitch, or a training deck, adding background audio can make your slides feel more polished and professional. And the best part is, once you set it up correctly, the audio can keep playing across all your slides without you having to manually restart it. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the audio to begin. Usually this is the first slide if you want the sound to play throughout the entire presentation. Once you're on the correct slide, go up to the top menu and click Insert. From there, find Audio and then choose Audio on My PC. This option lets you add an audio file saved on your computer. Now browse your files and select the audio track you want to use. This could be background music, a voice recording, or any sound file that fits your presentation. After you choose the file, PowerPoint will place an audio icon directly onto the slide. Don't worry if it looks a little obvious right now, because we're going to change the playback settings next. Click on the audio icon to select it, and then look at the top ribbon for the Playback tab. This is where the most important settings are located. In the Playback options, find Start and set it to Automatically. This makes the audio begin playing as soon as the slide opens, without you needing to click the icon during the presentation. Next, turn on Play Across Slides. This is the key setting if you want the audio to continue through every slide in your deck. Without this option, the sound will usually stop when you move to the next slide. By enabling Play Across Slides, PowerPoint keeps the audio running in the background as you click through your presentation. If you want the audio to repeat continuously, you can also enable Loop until stopped. This is optional, but it's useful if your presentation is longer than the audio track. That way, the music or sound keeps going until you manually stop it. You can also turn on Hide During Show if you don't want the audio icon visible while presenting. This is a nice finishing touch if you want your slides to look clean and distraction-free. Once you've set everything up, it's a good idea to test it before presenting. Start your slideshow from the beginning and click through a few slides to make sure the audio is playing correctly across all of them. If the sound stops too early, go back and double check that Play Across Slides is enabled and that Start is set to Automatically. These two settings are the most important ones for getting this method to work properly, and that's it. You've now added audio that can play across all slides in PowerPoint. This is a simple but powerful way to improve your presentations and make them more engaging. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.